Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs MCQs program. Let's begin with previous day's practice question. Question was, sometimes seen in the news, the Nalaban Island Bird Sanctuary is located in which of the following? Chilika Lake, Pulicat Lake, Loktak Lake or Vambanad Lake? The correct answer is option A, Chilika Lake. Recently, the migratory birds have started their annual journey to Chilika Lake, India's largest water bird habitat in Odisha, ahead of winter this year. The Chilika Lake is a brackish water lake and a shallow lagoon with estuarine character spread across the districts of Puri, Khurda and Ganjam in the state of Odisha. The Nalaban Island within the lake is notified as a bird sanctuary under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The Nalaban Bird Sanctuary is the core area of Chilika. The island disappears during the monsoon due to inundation, only to emerge again post-monsoon. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, consider the following statements regarding the Lyme disease. 1. It is a vector-borne disease. 2. It is caused by the bite of deer tick in humans. 3. It can spread from pets to humans. How many of the above statements is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3 or none? The correct answer is option B, only 2. Recently, the US health regulator did not find any misconduct at clinical sites managed by CGIAR Access for Pfizer and French partner Valneva's trial of a Lyme disease vaccine candidate. The Lyme disease is a vector-borne infectious disease. It is caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It is primarily transmitted to humans through the bite of infected black-legged ticks, often referred to as deer ticks. Hence, statement 2 is correct. The Lyme disease cannot spread between humans from pets to humans through air, food or water. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. Lice, mosquitoes, fleas and flies also do not transmit it. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Deception Island recently seen in the news. 1. It is an active volcano. 2. It is the only active volcano around Antarctica. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. Recently, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is NASA, posted a bird's eye view picture of Deception Island on its Instagram handle. The Deception Island is part of a line of islands called the South Shetland Islands, lying northwest of the Antarctic Peninsula. This island is an active volcano. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It was formed by a massive volcano eruption. It is one of the 2 active volcanoes around Antarctica and it has erupted more than 20 times since the 19th century. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, recently a report titled Mental Health of Refugees and Migrants, Risk and Protective Factors and Access to Care was published by which of the following? The Minds Foundation, World Health Organization, Global Health Council or International Medical Corps? The correct answer is option B, World Health Organization. Recently, a report titled Mental Health of Refugees and Migrants, Risk and Protective Factors and Access to Care was released recently by WHO. This report marks the 5th edition of the Global Evidence Review on Health and Migration series initiated by the WHO in June 2021. It has shed light on the prevalence and severity of behavioral disorders, especially among younger children. The study underscores significant differences in the experiences of children between the ages of 6 to 14 and those aged 15 to 17. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding CGIAR Global Initiative. 1. It is a non-profit organization. 2. It aims to transform food, land and water systems to address the challenges posed by climate crisis. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Recently, the International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics joined the One Consultative Group on International Agricultural Research Global Initiative. It aims to build a unified approach to transforming food, land and water systems to address the challenges posed by climate crisis. It is a non-profit, non-political public international research organization that conducts agricultural research for development in Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It aims to build a unified approach to transforming food, land and water systems to address the challenges posed by climate crisis. Hence, statement 2 is correct. It is headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana state in India with 2 regional hubs, Nairobi, Kenya and Bamako, Mali. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the diverse epigenetic epidemiology partnership. 1. It is study to understand the genetics behind non-communicable diseases. 2. It is a 10-year international project. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option A, 1 only. The CSIAR Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad is said to be part of the diverse epigenetic epidemiology partnership. It is a groundbreaking integrated genomics and epigenomics study to understand the genetics behind non-communicable diseases in diverse populations, including South Asians. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The project is to uncover the effects of genomic and environmental diversity in disease risk observed in people across the world, including those in Asia, Africa, and North and South America. It is a 5-year international project. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. The study will develop software and infrastructure and conduct advanced statistical analysis to build new resources. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding Prosopis Juliflora, also known as Vilayati kicker. 1. It is native to India, Sri Lanka and Nepal. 2. It is an invasive plant species. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B, 2 only. Recently, the National Security Guard decided to take on the Vilayati kicker, that is Prosopis juliflora, populating its Aravali Hills campus after it was found to be responsible, among other reasons, for the depleting water table. It is a shrub or small tree in the family Fabaceae, a kind of mesquite. It is native to Mexico, South America and the Caribbean. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. It is one of the most invasive species in arid and semi-arid areas. Hence, statement 2 is correct. In India, it is known locally by many names such as Bellari Jali, Simai Caruvellum, Simai Jali, Gandobawal and Vilayati kicker. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, recently seen in the news, the Global Hunger Index is published by which of the following? Concern Worldwide and Welt Hunger Hilfe, Food and Agriculture Organization, Action Against Hunger, or Heifer International. The correct answer is option A, Concern Worldwide and Welt Hunger Hilfe. Recently, India ranked 111 out of a total of 125 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2023. The Global Hunger Index is a tool for comprehensively measuring and tracking hunger at global, regional and national levels. It is prepared jointly by Irish aid agency Concern Worldwide and German organization Welt Hunger Hilfe. GHI scores are based on the values of 4 component indicators: undernourishment, child stunting, child wasting and child mortality. The GHI score is calculated on a 100-point scale reflecting the severity of hunger, where 0 is the best score, that is no hunger, and 100 is the worst. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, recently a new species of toads named Bufoides, bhupathyi have been discovered from which of the following? Assam, Manipur, Tripura or Mizoram? The correct answer is option D, Mizoram. Recently, a group of scientists from India and the United Kingdom have discovered a new species of toads, Bufoides bhupathyi, in the Dampa Tiger Reserve of Mizoram. It is the third of a genus Bufoides found only in a very narrow area in northeast India. This species has interdigital webbing, coloration, skin tuberculation, and the presence of ovoid, tuberculated and depressed parotid glands. The 2 earlier known species from the genus Bufoides meghalianus and Bufoides kempi, were found in Meghalaya. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Next question is, sometimes seen in the news, the Passport to Earning, that is P2E program, is an initiative of which of the following? IMF, UNICEF, ILO or UNESCO? The correct answer is option B, UNICEF. Recently, an online program was organized by UNICEF to commemorate the milestone of 1 million certifications of its Passport to Earning program. UNICEF Global Learning to Earning Solution Passport to Earning has skilled and certified more than 1 million young people in India in areas of financial literacy and digital productivity. Notably, 62% of all young learners who benefited from P2E courses in India are adolescent girls and young women. In India, aligned with the National Education Policy 2020, P2E provides free access to certificate courses in digital productivity, financial literacy, employability skills, and other in-demand job-ready skills. The P2E solution also offers provisions for online, hybrid, and offline learning models. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Last question is recently seen in the news. Which of the following embarked on Sagar Maitri Mission 4? INS Sagar Dhwani, INS Dhruv, INS Anvesh, or INS Pralay? The correct answer is option A, INS Sagar Dhwani. Recently, INS Sagar Dhwani, an oceanographic research vessel of Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory of DRDO, embarked on a 2-month-long Sagar Maitri Mission 4 from South Jetty, Southern Naval Command, Kochi. Sagar Maitri is an initiative of DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. Under the aegis of this policy, DRDO initiated a scientific component named MAITRI, that is Marine and Allied Interdisciplinary Training and Research Initiative, which focuses on establishing long-term collaboration with IOR countries in the field of ocean research and development. In the Sagar Maitri program, INS Sagar Dhwani will retrace the tracks of INS Kistna, which participated in the International Indian Ocean Expedition during 1962 to 65. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Now it's time for the practice question. Recently, Sayeret Matkal unit was seen in the news. It belongs to which of the following? Syria, Jordan, Israel, or France? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.